Hey guys, and today's theme, my theme is Draw My Life. And today I will be showing you what happened in my life. And just to say, I'm eating dinner, okay? Okay, so, March 1st, 2008. I was born.
These popcorn stickers really yummy.
Okay, so let me make my little stroller thing. Sorry guys if this is a little wild, because my drawing's a little bad, but okay. Hold on.
Well, after y'all get done eating, then we'll go to bed. Elena, don't forget this is your water, baby.
Okay.
2008, March 5th. I was born in Newport News. Newport News, Virginia. And then when I was like 5 and 4, I was sent off. I was sent off to preschool. And my preschool was pretty much a church / preschool. But I loved it with Creek Academy. With Creek Academy was my preschool. And I loved it there. I made lots and lots of friends. It was so much fun. But one day, when I got older, I went to primary school. So first day, me walking into school, and it was my first day of kindergarten, and I loved it. I was so excited. And so I was walking into my school that had kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. And it was Bacosan Primary School. So, me, little walking into kindergarten, my first day, really nervous and scared. But as soon as I walked in, there was a little incident. So, I was sitting at my classroom table. Big table. And my friend, Brady, was drinking his water bottle. and I was sitting right next to him. My water bottle was right here, and I was looking at him. But that was a really bad thing to do. And so, I started hitting his water bottle and then he yelled at me. I don't know why I did that. So, when I moved on, the first grade I was in Miss Seltzer's class. She is pretty nice. Miss Seltzer's class. I loved it, but soon I got a crush. And my crush, don't tell anybody, or don't tell this person, but my crush is Matthew Griffin. So, we were sitting at the table, and he was sitting right next to me. He always does at work. I did too. And when I looked at him, every time I would always get all blushy. So, it got on and on and on. And just by the way, this is a little information part. I am 8 years old. I'm 8 years old, yes. I'm only in 2nd grade, so in primary school. So now, I am in Miss McManus' class. Miss McManus class, and my parents, like mostly all of them, so I have sorry if this is ugly. Zane, Bailey, pretty much everyone in the class is my friend. But I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. I get bullied. And I never tell my mom or stuff, but I just deal with it. So, that's the end of my skit. I love you guys. Guys, because you're so appreciated. I need to reward you somehow. I love you guys. I hope you had a wonderful day watching this. Please, 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 please comment down below what I should do. Thanks. Bye.